Your Ethereum is down more than 60%, and it's probably sitting there in your wallet or on an exchange doing nothing. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my Ethereum pay me every single month without selling it, without having to take absurd risk or gamble. So let's go and dive straight into it. This video is specifically for the holder that has Ethereum on their centralized exchange account or is holding in cold storage, but kind of unsure of what the next step is to actually put that Ethereum to work. Today, we're going to break down liquid staking, we're going to break down lending and borrowing, and we're going to break down liquidity provision, so that way you know which route is best for you. And I'm also going to show you within this video why a collection of all of them is the best possible outcome. So first things first, we have liquid staking. Now, liquid staking is different than what you would typically do on a centralized exchange. On a centralized exchange, you would stake your assets, it would lock them up for a couple weeks, and if you want to unstake them, there would be an unlock period as well. That's because you are actually staking your Ethereum into the actual validator itself. Well, with liquid staking, it's very similar, except you're interacting with a DeFi protocol. You give them, say, one Ethereum, they give you one staked Ethereum, right? And then they take your Ethereum and they lock it up in a validator. The staked Ethereum is your receipt. As long as you bring it back, you can get your initial Ethereum out. But also, this staked Ethereum can be used within DeFi. You can put it up as collateral so you can borrow against it. You can go and trade it directly for Ethereum if you wanted to exit without having to go through the protocol. It's a really good use case to avoid the unlock period, so you don't have to wait 3 to 4 weeks. Because I've been there where you're ready to sell your Ethereum, you're at that top price, but then you have to go through that 3-week unstaking process to unstake. And by the time you go through that 3-week process, Ethereum's already down 20% from its all-time high. You don't want that. And that's the problem that liquid staking solves. Lido is the top platform for staking Ethereum. They have $16.5 billion of TVL, meaning that there's $16.5 billion of Ethereum staked in this protocol. That is 9.1 million Ethereum tokens. And you get about 2.3% per year or so for staking your Ethereum. It's not much, but it is something, and it is the first step to actually earning on your Ethereum. Because the next position that we're going to talk about is lending and borrowing. Now, when you lend out your Ethereum over on a platform like Aave, you actually only get paid 1.4% or so. So it's better to just stake your Ethereum and stop there, right? No. That's because if we scroll down a little bit more, you'll see something called wrap staked Ethereum. Now, wrap staked Ethereum is just like staked Ethereum, except this 2.3% is actually paid by the price going up a little bit more. So if we look at the price of Ethereum, it's 1801 right now. If we go and we look at the price of staked Ethereum, it's going to be 1801 as well, or roughly around there, as you can see. And then if we go and take a look at the price of wrap staked Ethereum, it's going to be significantly higher than the $1,800 price point. And the reason why is because it's slowly accumulating more and more yield over time. You can see it's currently priced at $2,200. And that doesn't mean it's overvalued. All that additional price is just the yield that's accumulated. In other words, one wrap staked Ethereum just buys you more than one Ethereum at this current point in time. It buys you roughly 1.246 Ethereum or staked Ethereum. The point is, once you have it wrapped, you can now use it within DeFi. So we can go and supply wrap staked Ethereum as collateral over on Aave, earn this 2.3% yield. We're not really getting anything additional. It's less than 0.01%. However, it's now collateral. So we can borrow against it. We can extract instant liquidity against our Ethereum without having to sell it. This is good if maybe you have an upcoming bill that you need to pay, maybe from the hospital. Maybe you need a little bit of help with the mortgage, right? Without selling your Ethereum, you can extract instant liquidity. The thing is, you do have to repay these borrows back. There's no monthly payment date. There's no set expiration date. This borrow just accumulates more and more and more interest over time, and you just have to pay back more and more and more money over time. But the smart use case is something that I'm currently doing in my portfolio. It's called a crypto flywheel, where I'm lending out my staked Ethereum, and then I'm borrowing crypto stablecoins against that staked Ethereum. And then I'm taking those stablecoins and I'm parking them in liquidity pools, which we'll dive into that aspect in just a second. But that right there is exactly the type of positions that you want to look for in your portfolio as you start to get comfortable with staking, lending, and liquidity provision. It's not something that you should do tomorrow. You should really understand the groundwork of liquid staking, lending and borrowing, and of course, liquidity provision first. Now, before we dive into liquidity provision, if you're the person that wants to use this and actually implement and deploy this within your portfolio, so that way you can open up an income layer and start to generate yields, I built a mini course that walks you through exactly how to get money from your bank account all the way into your first liquidity position, including setting up your wallets and making sure that they're secure. We just dropped this a couple weeks ago. We already raised the price twice, and we're going to continue to raise the price as we get more results come through the door. So head to the top link in the description, grab it while you still can, and in under an hour, we'll show you exactly how you can open up your first liquidity pool position. Let's go and dive into liquidity pools. Uniswap is the top decentralized exchange, meaning that it is the top place to provide liquidity and it has the most liquidity in it. They also are the ones that created this concept of liquidity provision all the way back in 2017, 2018, when DeFi was just a concept. But the benefit of this is anybody can come through these pools and essentially swap against them. You're essentially the shop that is always opened. In other words, if somebody wants to trade Ethereum for USDC, they are ultimately going to put Ethereum in that pool and take USDC out of that pool. If they want to buy Ethereum, let's just say they want to buy $1,000 of Ethereum. They are putting 1,000 USDC in the liquidity pool and taking out 0.55 Ethereum out of the liquidity pool. So what happens as a liquidity provider? Your assets are shifted around. You might start with, say, an equal dollar value of Ethereum and USDC, but then a couple weeks later, Ethereum might have went up a ton, and now you're sitting entirely in USDC. Now, that's not a bad thing because you can use these mechanics to your advantage. For example, here's a position I just closed out. I started with $7,500 and I ended with $6,200. In most people's mind, that's a loss. But what I pay attention to is I earned $265. Let's just keep that in the back of our mind for a second because that is not included in the amount that I withdrew. But B, I converted a total of 5,700 USDC to about 3 Ethereum at an average entry price of $19.24. In other words, I bought $5,800 of Ethereum at roughly $19.24. Now, my starting price for this position was $2,300, but I just got paid $265 to buy Ethereum at that $19.24 price. And the best thing is, the longer that it takes Ethereum to continue to go down and fall in this position, the more yield I am going to accumulate because people are still trading. They're still paying fees. So I'm the person that gets to earn the fees and buy the Ethereum while other people are panic selling at the worst possible price points and paying the fees to us. In other words, I'm on the same side of the table as Caesar's Palace, Resorts World. I am the house because I'm earning income on my Ethereum and I'm using these mechanics to accumulate more over time. Now, there's some Ethereum to USDC pools paying 60% right now. The thing is that number is very subjective because it depends on the price range that you choose when you dive into your position. Tied to the price range, you earn more, but your assets are also shifted around more. Wide to the price range, you earn less, but your assets are shifted around less. Realistically, most of these positions are going to average out to about 30, maybe 40%, but it also should not make up for the entire portfolio. You need to allocate strategically. You need to stake your Ethereum into wrap staked Ethereum. Take that wrap staked Ethereum, put it as collateral and borrow USDC. Take that USDC and go and put it into a liquidity pool like Ethereum to USDC. So that way you have your core collateral, which has full market exposure to all of the swings, ups and downs. But then you also have your income layer that produces income. And if Ethereum continues to fall over time, continues to buy Ethereum over time. And that's exactly how we run a crypto flywheel. So again, if you want to be the person that doesn't just watch these videos and move on with their life, but actually takes action and does something about it and makes a change in your portfolio, so that way you can build in the bear, which is the best possible time to build your portfolio. And I created a 1-hour mini course that walks you through exactly how to go from money in your bank account all the way to first liquidity pool deployed live with a $100 pilot test, and then how to scale from there. So again, the link's going to be at the top description, and I hope to see you in there. But to those of you that want to continue watching YouTube, I'm going to put a video on screen right now that walks you through a little bit more in depth what this process actually is. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, notifications turned on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.